Dijil Shibadilla, come Jedini Yimba Paya, Peda, Tawamanamiki Pomo, Sunam Yando.
Having Tiga Pipe, Mangnam, Samalatash, Naming Lansanam Yangzum, Lo Churgu, Payul Gaduin, Shetane, Tabe, Tatemutagila, Go, Tijana.
I think I have chosen the right question. I could hear some sounds from there. What would you like to tell the people from that corner who are obviously cheering you?
Thank you for cheering me. It's a great pleasure to be here, and I am happy that there are people who love me. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Come Baba Yimba, Pakenda, much Yanzum Niki, Pumutsitan Joga.
Gunduligeto, Tashipa Tang, Yimang Tangmala, Kambakim Shinutonina, Titan Dogaki, Tashi Delio, Anga Shiloizang, Shetangazang, Hebloigo, Yosuji.
Tujina, Jenduba Thomas Tujina. Kimala percentage, so the percentage kabla, Kam Nangchen She Yimba, She Mingla, Ninda Karsum, She the Pasu the Lung Takapsu, Lunda Power Kapsu, at the Toyaki Shejire, and the Mansur Robologane, and Mansur Lobjutane, Sibishi.
Now, to give you a break from the dazzling beauty that you've just witnessed, we will have the students of Mansarovar Academy who will now take you to the land of the sun, moon and stars with a rendition of the song and dance Yinda Karsum from Nangchen region. Thank you. We would like to thank the students of Mansarovar Academy for that heart-thumping dance which we really needed for this cold night. Thank you. You all getting ready for more action? Yeah?
Rikti Jendudi, Digi Nala, Jendur versus Ramene, She, Shabto, Demi, and Karate, Yenati, Torate, at the end of Allah, Tambo Dilla, Losan Labone, She Resha, Eshu Adilo, and She Digitunda to the Shuemana, they used to sing me now, Kaji, Joseph Naweka. Don't we don't see?
Our contestants are not only beautiful and intelligent, but really talented in singing and dancing too. So, contestant number 1, Ms. Lobsang Lamu, will present Yishu Asilo, a song in Bawa dialect about spending an enjoyable day in the beautiful meadows of Bawa. Thank you. Ms. Lobsang Lamu.